Thank you very much for coming to my YouTube channel, Salt and Pepper, and thanks for watching this video. Now, I'm just going to explain exactly what I'm going to do on this channel. Now, I'm going to post very short snippet videos of interesting things of how to set up a restaurant and all the other factors involved once you've got it set up and open. Now, I have owned 2 restaurants myself, both of which that I bought from failed businesses. I turned them into some of the busiest restaurants in the cities at the time. I then sold them for a nice profit, and I am now going to showcase and just share some ideas, experience via these snippet videos of how to do similar things yourself. Now, there are links in the descriptions for courses and websites because I am actually a restaurant consultant. I am actually a qualified chef. I do still work, and this experience and these video tutorials or snippet videos I'm posting on YouTube are completely free to help people, because I want to help anyone that's got a food business, because I know how hard it is and I want them to succeed because I want to enjoy them myself. So they need to stay open for me to do that. So anyone that's got any ideas or questions for videos they want making, I will do it for you. So please just drop a comment in the comment section, and I can get round to making a short snippet video for you. I'm going to post some videos as soon as possible, and I'm going to do it as frequently as possible as well. There are links to my LinkedIn profile to get more information of what I do for a living if anyone needs any consultational work or freelance help, anything like that. But this is a free platform to get information, but also if people need help, I'm there for you as well. So enjoy these videos. Please comment, ask at your leisure whenever you want. Don't be shy, and contact me if you are needed. And please don't forget to subscribe, because this is important to me, because 1, I want to grow this community, and 2, you want to be reminded when I post a video here so that you can get full access to the information as soon as possible. So enjoy, and I'll see you in class.